Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to review 5 steps to speed up 3D printing. Let's get started. 4 out of the 5 steps can be improved with Prusa Slicer. The first thing we want to do is go under Print Settings and look at our layer height. The classic layer height for Prusa Slicer is 0.2 millimeters. Many times you can increase that to 0.28, to 0.3, and even greater. Print a simple project, take a look at it. If it doesn't have problems with layering, that you're good to go. The second thing we can do is improve our infill. 15% is the default, but you don't really need that for most projects. Typically we can go down to 10%, and that will speed up your printing dramatically. The other thing we can do is look at our fill pattern. Stars comes up right away, but if we go down to the very bottom, lightning, click that, that will increase your print speed dramatically. Also, an important improvement that Prusa just came out with under print settings, we look here at output options. If you're printing multiples of a given project, you can click complete individual objects first, and that will very significantly increase your speed and reduce stringing. If you're able to produce one, then another in series versus in parallel, doing them all at the same time, you're going to way speed up your print time. Now, if the slicer detects that there's going to be interference, you're going to have to move your projects around, and sometimes it doesn't work, but many times it does. So the fifth way to increase your speed is to increase your nozzle diameter. When I got my Prusa XL, it came with 0.6 millimeter nozzles. They've subsequently changed that to 0.4. They're getting finer print quality, but many projects you can print with a 0.6, even larger nozzle, and that will speed up your print time. So those are the 5 changes. If this was helpful, please click thumbs up. Enjoy your printing. Thank you.